We're prescribing drugs. Medicine is the #1 drug company in the world. And doctors are drug dealers. Yes, I'm saying this out loud. I've been there, I've done that. The only thing that we do is prescribe drugs. And patients, they don't know anything else. They come and they want to have something in their hands when they leave. They want a diagnosis, they want a prescription, they want something, they want clarity. And us doctors studied what we've studied, we only know one thing, one perspective of those huge modalities, what is out there. We only know what we do best, we prescribe drugs. And it goes so far that I had patients that come to me, and I was working in a private clinic later on, and I was working, and the patients coming with a list of drugs, medication. They're like, okay, I don't feel well, I have the nausea, I have this, and I have anxiety, I'm looking at the list like, it's because of the side effects, the drugs, they interact together, and that's why you have this, what you feel. You start to explain to them, but the thing is, no doctor would dare to change the list of those prescribed medication, because somebody did it in the first place, and then it adds up and adds up and adds up. Then you have a list like that, and where do you start to release that, to thin out the medication list? And so like this, you're on that spiral, medication spiral, until the rest of your life, until you go, because nobody dares to clean it all up, literally. So why I'm talking about that, because this is where I understood it's not my path. One day I was lying in bed reading a book from medical medium Anthony Williams, and I was crying. I was like that, because his whole theory on medicine and on healing is disrupted my whole vision. Everything that I thought I wanted to be the best doctor, to help people in their needs, is crumbled. Medical media said it, the truth. It's not about the medication, it's about what you eat, how you are. There's a whole lot story about him, but he opened my eyes to the whole system. It's a fraud. Doctors, the most amazing people, because they sacrifice their lives for you. They study hard in order to help you. They only know what they know. And that knowing is determined by the system above them. It's not their fault. We're doing the best we can. But then, seeing those patients coming with the same old stories, the same suffering, the same illnesses, the same symptoms, nothing worked, even though you prescribe something. Sometimes you get some improvement, but nevertheless, we see the same patients over and over and over. And I'm talking about chronic medication. I'm talking about chronic ill patients. I was working in a pain medicine medical clinic in Switzerland, top of the top private medical pain clinics. Let me tell you, what I've seen there is incredible. None of those patients went back home pain-free. None. They came in, stayed for a few weeks, and left almost in the same state as they came. Slight improvement, 10%, 20%, that was great, it was success. All we did was just rearranging the medication and see, okay, it's improving, yes, no, yes, yes, oh yes, please, yay, we did it. Yes, it was like this literally. Yay, the patient had improvement of 20%. What did we do? We just rearranged the tablets, gave a new one, removed the other one. It's like Tetris. Gave us a little bit with the physiotherapy prescribed, and there was traditional Chinese medicine, some acupuncture. I know I'm exaggerating. I'm here. It's a very sad story. I just want to tell you how it really is. The doctors only know what they know. They didn't study any nutrition. They didn't study anything about the energy, frequency, vibration. They didn't study about your energy field. Because when I found out there was light at, seriously, I saw it as light. When I was reading this book, Medical Media, I was like, oh my, it's not me, I cannot do it. I quit the whole medicine. I quit. I didn't want to do anything with that. I said, never again. It was a mistake, that's it.